Hey guys, Drago here. So today I'm going to show you my Minecraft house tour. Let me show you the first way to get in is, if I go up here, it's a really cool house, so yeah. And then there's a water slide. It's pretty cool. I got a boat. I've gotten a lot better at Minecraft. Then we got my farm. We got another portal. We got an ender portal. And we have my bedroom. And it's top secret. Nobody can come in. Because it's a trapdoor mechanism. So yeah. I also have a very good view. And also, I have a lot of, I'm really good at aiming in Minecraft. I'm actually a very good aimer in Minecraft. Arrow, leaping, okay. Yeah, look at my aim, guys. I'm gonna hit that squid. No, I didn't hit it, but look at this. Dream, hire me for the Dream SMP. Horsey. Bam. Found a lot of horses. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you for the video. I hope you enjoy. And yeah, bye. And also, I also want to give a big a big shout out to you guys for the support on the channel. Thank you so much. And we also hit 2,000 views, so yeah, bye.